Election campaign in Amethi is only heating up. In an event, Minister Smriti Irani once again sharply criticized Rahul Gandhi, alleging his alliance with the banned Popular Front of India, which reportedly targeted Hindus, has called Rahul Gandhi Nikamma, quote-unquote. Union ministers argued that Gandhi now prioritizes Wayanad's electorate over Amethi's by choosing Wayanad as his electoral battleground and declaring it his new home. Gandhi, according to Irani, has redirected his loyalty away from his long-standing constituency of Amethi. Further, she has gone on to condemn the Congress party's oversight of Amethi, highlighting their failure to deliver essential services or developments such as toilet construction in the last 50 years of rule in Amethi. She has criticized the party of perpetuating poverty, aligning with the wealthy, abandoning the constituency in challenging times.
आप सब साक्षी हैं कांग्रेस की यहाँ पर राजनीति के। कब हुआ ऐसा कि 4,20,000 परिवारों को सालाना 6,000 रुपया बैंक के खाते में बिना पूछे बिना मांगे पैसा मिला हो? आज तक नहीं। 50 साल एक छत्र राज था कांग्रेस पार्टी का अमेठी में, गरीब के लिए शौचालय तक नहीं बनवा पाए। वो चाहते थे कि गरीब अमेठी का गरीब रहे ताकि कांग्रेस के बड़े बड़े नेताओं के सामने हाथ फैलाए अमेठी का गरीब हमेशा तड़पता रहे। कि वायनाड में चुनाव का पर्चा भरने से पहले मुस्लिम लीग से राहुल गांधी ने समर्थन लिया, तो वहां पर ये शायद बातचीत हुई उनके बीच में कि मुस्लिम लीग अपना झंडा नहीं दिखाएगा। क्यों? क्योंकि राहुल जी को यहाँ का प्रचार करना। तो मुस्लिम लीग ने कहा भैया हम अपना नहीं दिखाएं झंडा, तुम अपना मत दिखाओ। उन्होंने कहा ठीक है। मतलब क्या हद है अब कि अपनी राजनीति के लिए अपनी पार्टी का झंडा तक त्याग लिए। पीएफआई नाम के आतंकवादी संगठन के नेता, अब राहुल गांधी की हालत ये हो गई है, आतंकवादी संगठन का समर्थन लेकर अपना चुनाव वायनाड में लड़ रहे हैं। क्या भला है वहां पर जो यहाँ अमेठी से छिपा रहे हैं। आप सबने देखा होगा जिस दिन राहुल गांधी ने अपना नामांकन भरा, उन्होंने लिखकर घोषित कर दिया वायनाड मेरा परिवार है। वहां तक तो ठीक था। फिर कर्नाटक के एक नेता ने जाकर भाषण दे दिया कि राहुल गांधी से पूछा गया वायनाड से काहे लड़ रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी ने कहा वायनाड के लोग ज्यादा वफादार। फिर हम क्या हुआ? 15 साल निकम्मे सांसद को ढोया, जिसने काम नहीं किया, जीतने के बाद भी गायब रहा, और अब अमेठी की वफादारी पर ये तोहमत लगाते हैं।
If Modi will come again and again, our position will improve, our margin will be more comfortable. So, and BJP is not going to open the account here. The assembly, you know, they have not opened their account. Likewise, in the parliament also, they are not going to open India account. And also, I am very confident to say that the India alliance is going to form the government at the center.
Abhishek Mishra is getting us more details in that story. Abhishek, in fact, the political rhetoric there continues, but the fact of the matter is that the suspense over who is contesting from Amethi, that's a huge question mark. Give us a sense of what's the chatter on the ground.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. As far as the candidature for the Congress party is concerned, that is still not out. A lot of buzz has already happened. Robert Vadra, openly asking for that seat. At the same time, a lot of sentiment has come from the cadre that Rahul Gandhi should come back to this seat, and only a member from the Gandhi family should contest from Amethi and as well as Raebareli. Now, we have gone to the ground. We have seen how the preparations were there, and internally, it looks like that there is a possibility that Rahul Gandhi likely to contest, and that too after the election of the first or second phase. And that is why strategically it looks like that they're taking time. But leaving apart that, Smriti Irani is very vocal on the ground. She's constantly making remarks over non-presence of Rahul Gandhi throughout 5 years. Also, she said in her cadre meetings that how he has declared Wayanad as his home ground now, not Amethi, which has always stood by with them till 2014. So that is what Smriti Irani is very keen on. She's trying to get the, people in her favor, and has been talking about the negligence of the Gandhi family and the Congress party toward these bastion seats. But yes, indeed, the fight will become more interesting as soon as the announcement will be out, and it remains to be seen if it's going to be again Smriti versus Rahul for the battle for the run-up to 2024 in Uttar Pradesh,
All
Amethi
right.
seat.
That's right. Thanking you for the moment, Abhishek Mishra, getting us up to speed with those details as far as the battle for Amethi is concerned.